Welcome back to my final morning report analysis video on Wednesday the 1st of February with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. We're going to look at gold now, and this gold chart, again, a strong rebound. A couple of sort of mildly positive bull candle on Friday, positive-ish a little bit on Monday, but strong on Tuesday. Yesterday breaking back above the 1200 big figure level, and it sort of puts us back into a more of an outlook where you could see a realistic chance of a test back above that 1220 level again. These two highs late Jan around about 1220. Subsequent resistance to that 1233. But then you're looking at the key level of 1241, which is an old key breakdown level, and that is your sort of key sort of medium-term resistance, I think. So if we can see a break back above 1220, I think you're looking at 1241. Momentum indicators have turned positive again with this move. The stochastics ticking higher. MACD lines look as though they're sort of thinking about what they're doing, but I think the RSI back above 60 is a positive. But ultimately, we're in a bit of a range period, really. 1180 towards 1220, so $40 of range, and it'll be interesting to see if we can break above that, because you've got bang in the middle of it that pivot line around 1200 big figure, which is ultimately a bit of a sort of a psychological level. It's not 100% accurate in terms of turning points, but it has consistently had a bit of a part to play, so watch out for that. But yeah, so at the moment we're positively configured on the hourly momentum, RSI holding above 50, but MACD lines have turned lower. Stochastics getting back below 20 isn't that great, but if we can hold this recovery, then I think we can start to continue to look higher. You've got this sort of run of higher lows now in the last few days. That trend line comes in around where that low is at the moment, 1206 area, so you wouldn't really want it to go below 1206. So yeah, there is certainly an improvement, and it's possible that we could come up and test 1220, but I'm not necessarily thinking that it's going to do that. 1215 was yesterday's high. That's resistance, obviously, but just sort of lost a little bit of its way. I think it needs to carry on going higher to really sort of through that 1215 to really sort of suggest that the bulls are going to have a charge on that 1220 level. But there's a sort of mildly positive outlook, but today pretty much neutral. You've got the Fed tonight, which the market will certainly be looking out for. Certainly if a stronger dollar comes through, you're going to see the gold price correcting again, and then you've sort of got 1200 big figure back in play. So there's a fair amount of uncertainty still on this chart, despite the fact we had that bull candle yesterday. So I wish you good luck in your trading. I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Thank you.